Hello guys, Hatam for Objection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you Samsung Note 9 and with all family for Samsung. We brought for you guys all accessories that you can imagine. I like to buy like this. I'm one of the guys that he like to buy everything without everything. For example, to enjoy my life, I really like to enjoy everything. You got me? I have to forbidden myself buy this, don't buy this. No, buy everything, enjoy everything. Guys, we brought for you even rare accessories, okay? This is the Samsung Note 9, okay? This is cool. Let's talk fast about everything. This is the Note 9. This is a purple, beautiful Note 9 with cover that came with that iPhone don't give. And this is the beautiful phone. This beautiful phone need to fast charge to charge him, right? Nice. This is now like this. This is the phone. And we have here the quick fast charge from Samsung. Do like this, charge. You can charge your phone like this. You can charge your phone like this. It's up to you. And this is how it goes, okay? This beautiful phone and beautiful charge need original cover to take care of him from Samsung. And this original cover need original protection screen. I still not even put it to protect him. And to enjoy the music, we brought for you the Samsung Gear IconX. This is the latest model from Samsung. So beautiful, gorgeous speakers. If you watch my videos, guys, when I put them in my ears, I completely forget the world. When I'm in gym, I not hear anything beside me at all. Only the speakers. And how they are just put them in your ears and they connect. Really so beautiful and so beautiful voice. I recommend it for anyone. See, it's charging. I recommend the speakers for anyone. Okay, we have the. Let's go. Guys, I will do for you like Mr. Bean. You know how he do. So sometimes I don't have some time to charge, so I take Samsung fast charge with me. This is 10,000 megahertz, 10,400 megahertz fast charge. Sometimes I go to gym, I go here, there. I don't have time to charge my phone, so I took this with me. So I can charge my phone, I can charge my speaker, I can charge everything. Okay, let's talk about the watch. We have here Samsung Gear watch. Okay, this is Samsung Galaxy Gear watch. This is so beautiful, and this is gold color. I love gold color. I don't know what to tell you. I like this watch. You know why? When I try iPhone watch, this is have browser. You can hear music through your watch here. It's have a lot of option, and the brightness of the screen, that's Apple Watch don't have quarter of this brightness. I recommend this beautiful sexy lady for anyone instead of Apple Watch and all this bullshit. Okay, we have here for extra, I bought the Samsung 128 Giga Pro Plus. Guys, this is the Pro Plus, which is mean there's memory for recording normal, and there's memory for 4K in games. The Pro Plus, this one is recording for 4K in games. If you watch, this one is not get hot and she will not burn or anything. This one is professional, and I have here 8 Giga, half tera, and I bought this, which is mean I can put all world here. I can put country inside this phone. So let them go. Now we talk about the fun points. We have the Samsung Gear Oculus. This is the latest model from Samsung. Okay, and we have here the rare and sexy and gorgeous, and this is the most rare. This is the Samsung gamepad. This is rare from Samsung. This is Samsung created 10 pieces all over the world. And how the cool that you can connect your phone by through NFC. Guys, when I open the Bluetooth, I want to connect, I just do like this. Teet, it's connect. Wow, this is so cool option. When I just open it, it's connected by Bluetooth. Sometimes I connect it by NFC. And here I have arrows, and I have browser. You got me? So when I play Viva 2015, sometimes I play browser, sometimes I play arrow. You have here start select, and you have here R1, R2, L1, R1, L1. This is so beautiful game. Guys, so beautiful quality. No compare with the joystick for PlayStation 4 and 3. You know, when I play with joystick on PlayStation 4 and 3, they live with me like a couple of times and then they fucked up, you know? Like 1 year maximum. This one, you know, it's you use it 3-4 years, nothing will happen to her. You know, there is horror game, her name is in Oculus here, I played. What's her name? I forget it. That there is a woman, she chasing me, I have to escape from her, then I will find a way to kill her. And it's so cool game. It's free, by the way. The full version $4 and the demo version is for free. Demo version is already enough for me. I didn't finish the demo version. Anyway, you know, guys, to play with the Oculus, you need joystick like this. This is more better than the other one that she's like, wow, whitey. This one is really, really so gorgeous. You know, guys, I swear to you, there's this horror game that I played in Oculus here. I cannot play it alone in the room. And I pretend that I'm a tough guy and I always watch horror movies and like this. This fucking 3D game, I mean, this is so real. And you know, I stuck with my friends. Sometimes I play with the room with someone with me. I don't know, you know, when I put gear icon in my ears and I play Oculus and I hold the game, because the game need gamepad, I freaky scared, you know. You know, this is the best to enjoy your life with Samsung. You know, I don't know what to tell you. To be honest with you guys, this is so beautiful to have all family. You know, whatever you out from your home, you don't have time, you took fast charge. You want to count your bus and go to gym and like this and enjoy your life, watch. Fast charge to enjoy without cable, without anything, through your phone, it will half-hour charge full. 1 hour maximum from 0 to 100. Enjoying the real music, memory for extra, Oculus. This is as for me. And about Note 9, I don't want to tell you how much gorgeous and sexy it is. You got me? So beautiful. You know, life are so easy. How cute. Life are so easy. See, just grab and write your notics. Write anything you want. This is for you guys, for all my lovers in and my fans in YouTube. Guys, I know I want to tell you something. See how I can open camera, how I can do everything from the phone. See, I open camera from here. I can change the front camera by double click. See, what do you want more than this? No iPhone, no Huawei, no any shit. To be honest with you guys, and now soon this will out. It's 10 plus. This is the really. I mean, I guess it's 10 plus is gonna destroy all phones in all the world. Already Note 9, no comparison, Note 9. Guys, you know how Huawei B20X? I hold it in my hand, yeah, beautiful camera and have nice screen, but the phone are empty. You know, guys, I didn't see the tips and tricks that Samsung have, like pen, like the edge here from this side to grab it. Oh, sorry, I closed the notification. I have to open the phone. Anyway, you know, guys, there is edge here. There's a lot of beautiful things in Note 9 that you will never had it in any other phone. And you, to be honest with you, the best operating system I work with is Android for Samsung. I didn't feel relaxed for Huawei. I didn't feel nice for iPhone Max at all. Guys, I'm recording now already from iPhone Max. This is the fucking most garbage phone that I ever hold in my hand. He's full of minuses, full of every shit, you know. When this will appear as 10 plus, I will sell this bitch for the most cheapest price. Don't fucking come back in my home anymore. So guys, thanks for watching anyway, and please tell me, write and comment down below what is the best thing that you like from all this family. As for me, I like the it's my favorite because there's not a lot of pieces from this. I like the joystick so much, then I like the speakers, then watch, then faster charge, Oculus also. I like all of them, but number one is joystick because it's rare. So guys, peace and love for everyone, and wish for everyone happiness and money and everything, and reach his dreams. Bye bye, and sorry for recording because I don't have time. I need to, tomorrow I have orders for cars and a lot of shit to do. So guys, peace, love for everyone.